Today I got Blue Music Bluetooth adapter. Now I have no idea how this installs. I have no idea what I'm doing. All I know is it goes in the boot. That was easy. I'm gonna guess it's these. Where's my thing? Yeah, I hope. Ah, maybe the radio has to be on. The radio's on. CD mode. CD 101. Scan. And I have my radio here. And I press the button. Skips the song, and I can turn up the radio, obviously. And yeah, it sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. No complaints about the audio or any static or anything like that. So yeah, for 20-30 euro, highly recommend it. Easy install. My life is just not easy sometimes. So yeah, mint.